This chicken, Cantonese chicken and potato stew right over here. Wow, look at that. Check that out. Very easy and simple pressure cooker recipe here. Wow. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious chicken and potato stew. With just a few ingredients, you're gonna have a delicious homemade dinner. It'll be made inside my pressure cooker, so the recipe will be super quick, and when it comes out, it will be so delicious. So let's get cooking. Let me show you guys how to make this dish. Okay guys, so let me just show you the ingredients what I'll be using. So over here, I got some chopped up garlic cloves and 2 onions over here that I just cut up like this into slices like this. You can cut up your onions how you like it because it's just gonna be placed inside the pressure cooker and it will shrink, so it doesn't matter what size you cut it. I just like to cut it up like that. And then here I got about 12 potatoes over here, 12 peeled potatoes unwashed. And then for the chicken, I'm using a full chicken over here that I cut up already. If you guys don't want to cut up a chicken, if you like your drumsticks, you like your thighs, just go buy those packs of drumsticks or thighs. You can use it in this recipe. Any chicken is fine, but I like it with a full chicken. Okay guys, so the sauces are very basic. I'll just be using soy sauce, white pepper, Chinese rice wine. I'm going to be using bean sauce. So you just go to your supermarket and just search for a jar, those Chinese jars, and it says bean sauce. And also got my hoisin sauce. You can also check that out in the supermarket. Okay, I also got a little bit of sesame oil. It's optional. And obviously you have to have your oyster sauce. And also I use some olive oil. You can just use normal cooking oil. So yeah, let's start the recipe now. Okay guys, let's start cooking. So first you're gonna get a wok here. You're gonna preheat it. First we're gonna be cooking all our chicken and onions first. And then we'll place it into the pressure cooker. Okay, so first you pour a good amount of oil. Then you also have to roll the wok with the oil. So you don't want it to be sticking. You can see the smoke is coming. The wok is very hot now. Okay, so first I'm going to just dump in my onions and my garlic here. Give that a quick stir fry. Okay, once onions you gave it a good stir fry, you don't need to cook it way down to get it brown. So we'll just dump in our chicken next. Dump in our chicken. Just stir fry the chicken as well. Get the chicken cooked up and have a little on its skin. Okay, so I turned up the heat. Give this chicken a good char on its skin. This recipe is very quick and simple. You just need to prepare these simple ingredients, and then we'll stir fry this chicken up. Cook it up and add in the sauces, and then we will dump it into the pressure cooker. Okay, we'll let this cook for like 5 minutes. Okay, after 2 to 3 minutes, just give it a good stir. Once we see the chicken blood, and yeah, the chicken looks like it's well cooked, and then we will add in our sauces and spices. It looks like it's nearly done. The chicken doesn't have to be 100% well done because we're going to be placing them inside the pressure cooker. I think it looks okay. I'm just going to turn down the heat. Okay guys, first I'm gonna spice it up. All you need is some white pepper. Just gonna sprinkle all over the top. All over. Yep, that's enough. Okay, next we're gonna drizzle some soy sauce. Soy sauce, you just gonna drizzle all around like that into the center. That's all you need. And then we're gonna pour in a bit of oyster sauce. Also drizzle all around a little bit like that. Okay, next we'll drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine all around as well. Then we're gonna drizzle also around some sesame oil. Okay, now this is the secret taste to this recipe, guys. So I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of bean sauce. And the other secret ingredient that makes this delicious stew, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. And that's the secret ingredient, guys, for the stew. No other spices or anything, just like that. We're gonna stir fry this, and then we're gonna pop it into the pressure cooker. Okay, let me turn up the heat. Okay, let's stir fry this up in this delicious sauces. Smelling so good. We'll give this a good stir fry for about 3 minutes. Then it will be ready to be placed inside the pressure cooker. Okay, all the sauces looks like it has been fused. Okay guys, it's ready to be placed inside the pressure cooker, just like that. Okay guys, let's place the chicken inside this pressure cooker here. Smelling so good. I didn't even give it a taste test because I know that the flavor is exactly how I wanted. This recipe is from my mother. I think on my channel there was a very old video in the beginnings of our YouTube channel that we created this recipe, and for a long time we haven't recreated. So I got a new camera now, so yeah, I'm recreating this recipe. But this time This recipe is being recreated inside a pressure cooker. In the old video, we didn't use a pressure cooker, so if you're gonna be using just a pot, you will be adding in more water. For pressure cooker, we won't be adding a lot of water. Okay, this is a Silvercrest pressure cooker that I'm using over here. I'm not promoting them, but I'm just telling you guys which pressure cooker I'm using. You can use a lot of good other brands. This is a very cheap, affordable brand, but it works absolutely good. Okay, now I got my potatoes. Just go lay them on top. Okay, we lay them on top. Okay, now I've got a normal cup here, so it's about 240 ml of water that we'll add. Okay guys, so that's it. I'm gonna close this, place the pressure cooker lid on now. Just gonna be sealed up now. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the Silvercrest pressure cooker over here. So as you can see, it has a chicken function. So I'll click on the chicken. And yeah, it's starting. It's gonna be pressure cooking this for about 12 minutes. Okay guys, our stew is ready. Let's check this out. I released the pressure already. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Let's check out the potatoes. Yep, potatoes can break easily. Okay, look at that. Let's plate this up and give this a try. Yummy. Okay guys, so I've got some rice here. Let's check this out. Some chicken here. Some potato. Oh, get more chicken here. Ooh, yummy. Some more chicken. Okay guys, let's try to test this out now. Okay guys, I'm giving this a try here. Yummy. Let's try the potatoes here. So soft and tasty. Wow, the chicken. Check at that. Full of the bone chicken here. Yum, with some rice. Very tasty guys. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys for watching. Check that. Hot potato and chicken stew.